Um, Hello guys, welcome to my video again. So today this time I want to interview one of my friend. Introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Naufal Ridani, and my friend.
I'm Saleha Zahra and you can call me Zahra.
So uh, I want to interview you about the topic about what the impact of technology in our social life. So just take a quick time. We move to the first question. So, how do you use technology in your daily life? From like you are waking up until you sleep in the night.
Okay. I use
Good night.
technology a lot in my daily life,
Mhm.
such as for communication, get information,
Nah.
social media, and transportation also. For me, when I just woke up, I will turn off my phone alarms,
Mhm.
and then I went to university by motorcycle. Then in the class, we use projector for study or
Presentation.
presentation.
I
And
see.
then if I have a break time, I will cook by myself and then
Mm-hmm.
turn off my music or a
With your phone.
podcast. Yes, with my phone.
Oh, so until so you really often using technology in your daily life, right?
Yes, I am.
Uh, so what kind of technology do you use really often in your daily life in this past month of the campus life?
The campus life. I use smartphone a lot,
Mm-hmm.
and I think I would say I can't live without my phone
Oh.
because in smartphone we have a lot of apps and tools that we can use. For example, like if we wanted to buy anything we want,
Mm-hmm.
like food, drink, or clothes, we
Oh.
can buy it by our phone. Just
Online shopping, right?
yeah, online shopping.
Mm.
Just by one click, and then it will came to your home.
Uh, but I do you think the when you buy something online, is it really expensive because there delivery fee
Uh,
for the driver?
yes, actually, if we buy anything online, it will be expensive, the delivery, right? But especially in Kalimantan,
Of course,
there's expensive
sometimes the delivery fee
delivery.
is more expensive than the actual thing you buy.
Yeah, that's
Nah.
right. And but there's a lot of like voucher and
Mm-mm.
then a discount, right? And we can use that. But I'm not usually buying something by via online, but
Just
it's just
sometimes.
sometimes.
So
Yeah, not every
when
time.
you are like lazy.
Yeah, when I just lazy to go out, I will buy something via online.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. What's benefits you have gained from the technology, like for your social life or your daily life?
There's a lot benefit that we can get from using technology, uh, such as for education,
Mm-mm.
health, and then to get information, and also to easily communicate with other people around the world.
Uh, it's like cutting the distance, like with the social media.
Mm.
Uh,
Yeah, for example, like in the past, we usually communicate to other people with letter and
uh,
then send it to the post.
yeah,
But now we can use our phone we communicate to other people by
Oh.
texting or message, phone calls, and video calls.
Oh, yeah. Oh, so you like communicate from online than the communicate directly face to face?
Actually, I like to communicate with people face to face,
Ah,
directly meet.
mm-mm.
But if we have a long distance with our friends, it make hard to communicate with them, and then we will communicate with them with online then with our social
Oh,
media and stay connected to them.
mm-mm. So the technology of social media helping you to reach more area of like communicate. You can communicate from person like one from other country to right.
Yeah, from other country
Ah,
too. We can make friends with
ah,
them.
okay. So from your experience, what the negative impact you have experienced from using too much technology? Society.
Uh, I think that if there's a positive impact, of course there's a negative impact too of
Hmm.
technology developments. And I think some of negative impact that usually we can see is about addiction, addicted
Addicted to
to
technology.
use technology. For example, like people usually use artificial intelligence
AI,
or
ChatGPT,
AI, yeah, ChatGPT, Blackbox AI, Gemini,
so many on this AI, right?
so many types of AI now,
Uh,
and they uh, it makes them too lazy to read books and then lazy to
thing
think, yeah, and just get the answer directly
without any
without any thinking.
yeah like okay say it without any effort like they didn't
Yeah,
do anything just
yeah.
type like send a question and
Uh-huh.
say can you solve this and
And
boom.
then AI can replay it. Even AI would smarter than the people.
So actually I usually see student nowadays who use it AI to answer the presentation or questioning them. So
Uh,
that makes them really lazy, right?
yeah, and I don't like to see it because they just type of answer, a type of questions, and
Mm.
then AI will reply, answer it directly, and they have not to think about the questions at
So
all.
they didn't learn, right?
Yeah, they didn't
It
learn
just AI
anything.
who gets smarter and smarter.
Yeah, I think AI should be just help, not to.
And fully answer the question like just like
Yeah.
guiding you like yeah like guiding you to the right place.
That's right.
So do you think it's only the young young generation who get negative impact from the technology or do you think the old generation got the same problem too?
I think all generation use technology right now. Even the old generation, I would say, they also use technology. Especially they use smartphone in their life.
Hmm.
I don't think there's someone do not have phone in their hand now. Uh, Even all kids, I think they usually use smartphone.
Like oh for playing Roblox right
Yeah, for playing
and
Roblox or play
actually
TikTok.
yeah of course and actually I have seen so many other people who use their phone to gambling, like
What is gambling?
gambling, like judo,
Oh, okay.
gambling. It's really bad, right?
Oh
That's
my
the
God.
same problem as the young generation too.
Yeah, that's not good.
So you say like the communicate you can communicate with people who is far away, or you can meet them with online, uh, with technology of communication, right? So do you believe that online communication can replace face-to-face interaction, and what's the difference between them in your opinion?
Okay, sorry, could you
So
please repeat?
the online communication, can it replace the face-to-face interaction,
Okay.
and tell me why and the difference between them in your opinion?
Yeah, in my opinion, I think uh, online communication uh, can replace face-to-face communication. For example, like we use this when pandemic COVID-19.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I have been that in that
Mhm.
situation too, like
We
using
use
online,
application
Zoom, Google Classroom.
Google Classroom, and we can still communicate even there's pandemic COVID-19 and the people stay in her house. They still can communicate. In my opinion, the technology is so good if we use it wisely.
So as long you use it for only the important things, right? You just use it for the important things, not always use it.
Yes, not always use
I
it.
see. So have you ever felt addicted to your phone or social media, and how did you get rid of that?
Yes, I think I spend a lot my time in 24 hours. I spend a lot my time mostly with my phone.
Yeah.
I think I usually my screen phone is like 6 to 7 hours a day.
Day. So
I
you
think.
do what do you do online?
Oh, what I do?
Like
I usually
scrolling?
scrolling, scrolling Instagram or watching YouTube,
I see.
and then texting to my friends,
Okay,
and
okay.
that's need a lot time to screen phone.
How do you balance the online life and the offline life
Actually.
activity?
I think how to I balance it. I try to balance it sometimes when I have busy activity. So
No.
I looking for busy activity, like maybe I will join an organization or join a lot of seminar,
Mm. Yeah, like
like
the speech. Yeah,
kind of like that.
speech from other people.
I will looking for my busy schedule,
So you
and
can be distracted from your
yeah, it's
online.
so helpful to avoid my phone.
You just need to find a real life activity, right?
Yeah.
Mhm. So what would it be if the technology just suddenly vanish in our life?
Disappear
Yeah.
like that.
What do you think it will be hard for us?
I think that would be so hard for us because now people usually use technology everywhere and anywhere.
Mm-mm.
They use technology. If someday technology disappear,
Yeah.
I think people would be kebingungan.
I'll be confused, right?
Would be
Like the
confused.
economy will be stopped. That because there are so many online business.
Yeah, the economy will stop and
People will be
people will be confused. Mm,
Okay, so that's it. So do you think will the tech what do you think the technology impact social life in the future will be? Do
In the
you,
future,
do you think people will like 24 hour in their screen in the future?
I think so. People will be more addicted to their phone, and I think for me that would be more like misinformation or apa nih,
Misinformation.
scamming, like
There's so much scam
they
and hacking too.
hacking too,
Uh,
and they people maybe usually use artificial intelligence
too much that
in
they're
their
addicted.
daily life.
I see. So, maybe that's all the question I can ask for you. Thank you for your cooperation in this video,
Thank you
and
so much
thank you
for
so much for
invitation me.
thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next time.
Yeah.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.